Hey guys, what is fruit? What is the concept behind kind of fruits? Are strawberries botanically a berry? No. If you want to answer this question, then this video is very useful for you. Let's start. All of you are welcome in AgriDev. This is Dr. Devendra Upadhyay and I am going to tell you about the concept of fruits. Botanically, a fruit is matured ovary with or without seeds. In some fruits, other structural derived from floral parts may become the part of fruits. Fruits are of many kinds. In general, fruits may be classified as simple fruits, aggregate fruits, and multiple fruits or composite fruits. Now, simple fruit means those fruits which develops from a single ovary of a single flower. Majorities of the fruits comes under this category. And the fruits which develops from several separate pistils of a single flower is called aggregate fruits. There are so many examples of aggregate fruits like custard apple, raspberry. These are the example of aggregate fruits. And the fruits which develops from the whole flower, whole inflorescence is called multiple fruits. And the example of multiple fruit is jackfruit, mulberry, and pineapple. So this is all about these simple types of fruits: simple fruits, aggregate fruit, great fruits, and multiple fruits. Now we must have to understand the concept, that is pericarp. What is pericarp? The outer layer of most fruits is called pericarp, or mature wall of the ovary in the fruit is called pericarp. Pericarp is divided into these three regions: epicarp or exocarp, the middle layer called mesocarp, and the inner layer called endocarp. These regions may be fleshy or dry, and this is the concept of pericarp, and which is very essential to know the type of fruits. Now we have an idea about the pericarp. Now let's start from the simple fruits. Simple fruits are further classified as simple fleshy pericarp and simple dry pericarp. First, simple fleshy pericarp. First fruit type under this category is berry. One of the most important types of fruit, that is berry. Berry is one to many seeded and the entire pericarp becomes fleshy. There is no stony innermost layer of the pericarp. For example, grapes, banana, tomato, papaya, these all are comes under berry. Basically, there is another concept behind the berry is when you cut the fruit, you can see that the seeds are arranged in a circular manner. That is called berry, right? And another type of berry fruit is called pepo. Yes, pepo is also a kind of berry. A berry with hard rind, that is called pepo. For example, watermelon, cucumber, these are comes under pepo. However, they are also broadly comes under berry. You have seen that tomato, that is soft rind, that will comes under simple berry. But the rind which have hard surface, that will comes under pepo. The another type of berry is hesperidum. Yes, this is also comes under berry. A berry with leathery rind, with having a leathery rind, and this is called berry. For example, mandarin, lemon, lime, these all are comes under hesperidum. Dear friends, some special type of modified berries are also there. For example, pomegranate. You have seen the pomegranate. That pomegranate comes under balusta. It's called balusta. And Aigle marvelous. Yes, this is called bale that comes under Amphisaraca. However, they are basically berry. Now, the another fleshy pericarp fruit is called drupe is very important. And what is drupe? What is stone fruit? Drupe means single seeded, the innermost pericarp layer stony, that is called drupe. For example, peach, plum, cherry, apricot, mango, these all are comes under drupe. Simple dry pericarp fruit further divided into three categories. Dehiscent, that burst automatically and liberate the seeds. The example of dehiscent seeds is legumes, pod, follicle, siliqua, capsule. These all are comes under dehiscent. Basically, in dehiscent, seeds burst, fruit burst automatically, and seeds liberated to the environment. The second group is schizocarpic. It means splits into one-seeded compartments. For example, lumentum. These are the example of schizocarpic fruit. And third one is indehiscent, that does not burst to liberate the seeds. Under this category, fruit types comes under, that is acan, nut, caryopsis. These all are comes under this indehiscent fruit. Now, dry dehiscent. At maturity, dry and splits open. For example, legumes, capsules. Okay. Now, you have listened many times about pod. What is pod? Pod that splits along two opposite sides and their single layer of seeds are arranged. That is called pod. Now, fruit opening by the several splits or pores, that is called capsule. Have you seen many times like moringa, like cotton? After the maturity, you have seen that fruits split out, when several splits. That type of fruit comes under capsule. So, this is about capsule. Now, the schizocarpic fruit, I have given the example of lumentum that splits into one-seeded segment. For example, tamarind and dill, these all comes under. What is dry indehiscent fruits? That is acan, that is closely fitted pericarp, surrounded a single seed. For example, sunflower, right? And another close fitted pericarp fruit is fruits that fused in a single seed, that is called caryopsis or grain. For example, wheat, rice, maize, these all are important part, right? Now the final one, that is nut. You have listened many times nut, hazelnut, walnut. What is nut basically? The concept behind nut is thick woody pericarp. The thick woody pericarp surrounded the seed is called nut, right? For example, hazelnut, walnut, peanut, these all are comes under nut category. So dear friends, this is all about nut. Now I have given the question, are strawberries comes under berries? No, because the strawberry is actually a multiple fruit which consists of many tiny individual fruits embedded in a fleshy receptacles. So this is a multiple fruits. Okay. If you like this video, keep watching, subscribe. Thank you.